How to install Deepseek on Windows? First go to Chrome and go to deepseek.com. After that, click on this button Start Now. It will land you to a page like this, which is a chat window. You need this as your desktop app. So for this, click on the three dots on top right and scroll down till you find this option, Cast, Save and Share. And in that, you need to find Install Pages app. Click on it. It will say install this page as an app. Click install, and this will be installed as a desktop app in your PC. If you close this window and go to your desktop, you'll find this app is installed. Just double click on it and see if it is working. Yes, it's working. So this is how you can install Deepseek as a desktop application on Windows.
If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel.